Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are facing this problem iMessage activation and error equipped during activation, please try again. Guys, keep watching this video until the end for solve the problem. And guys, close the window and first of all open setting application appears on screen here. Guys, first check your internet connection is working or not. If your connection is good working, here simply tap on go back, and if you are using mobile data, you can check mobile data is working or not. After that, scroll down and find out iMessage application in your mobile. Here guys, tap on iMessage and must be check iMessage turn on from here. If turn on already, must be turn off and turn on once again. Turn off after few seconds, turn back it on, and now scroll down, and you can use Apple ID for using the iMessage, and after that close this window and must be see the next solution is open setting application. This is the last solution, and scroll down, tap on general, and once check date and time is automatically set or not. If already selected automatically, now go back. Here guys, tap on general again and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and guys tap on reset network setting. Guys, after reset network setting, any problem inside your iPhone will be solved. After reset network setting of your iPhone, enter the passcode and do the reset network setting of your iPhone. I hope your this video will be solve your problem. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.